Alright, what is up everyone? So, trying to make a quick video, mainly because I don't do this often, but, about maybe a week ago, less than a week ago, I made a video called Burping Is A Habit, and apparently it blew up a little bit, and everyone likes a video of me burping. I don't know. Someone said make another burping video. So, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna burp for y'all. Now, some of you are probably, watching this and they're like, what the heck are you doing? But, if this is gonna get me a whole lot of views and people say they want more of it, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna please the viewer. It's one. It's kind of bad. That's two. That's three. That's four. I'm trying here, folks. I mean, it's kind of hard, really, to burp. Oh, that's a 4-piece combo. So, I think that's like 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7. I'm gonna do 3 more for y'all. I'm gonna do 10 burps. Alright? Cheers. This one's for y'all. Eight. 9. No, that didn't really count. One more. There you go. 10 burps for you. Now, if I can get I need, let's see, 10 views for every burp. So that was 10. So 10 times 10 is 100. So let's do 100 views. If I can do 100 views, 100 likes, that would be perfect. So, thank you for watching, and I guess if you want to see more, I guess say something. I don't know, really. So, burp. Alright, I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Till next time, Joey St. Pierre, Breaking 365, signing out. Peace. Bye.